So, hi everyone. Today I am going to make my version of the Indonesian nasi goreng, which is basically a flavor packed fried rice. So, I'm using half a kilo of prawns, the medium sized prawns. I have around a cup worth of chopped onions. I have 3 eggs which are going to be fried crisply and placed on top. I have around cooked 2.5 cups of cooked rice which I have cooked and then I've put into the refrigerator so it's cold, because fried rice is best made with cold rice so it doesn't get sticky. I have two kinds of soy sauce. I have a light soy sauce and a dark soy sauce. This I've added a little sugar to it because I wasn't able to find the sweet dark soy sauce, so I've added some sugar. This is a shrimp paste, a fermented shrimp paste. You can use the Thai one, you can use the Indonesian one. I've used the Goan prawn molo. It works just as well. There's some red chilies which have been chopped finely and some garlic. So I'm going to be making this and I'll keep bringing you in to have a look. So the first thing that we're going to do is marinate the prawns. So we're going to take a little bit of the dark soy which has the sugar in it, and we're going to use around half the portion of it in here. The other half will go as a sauce, and we're going to just marinate this and leave it aside for around 10 minutes. In the meantime, we'll get cooking. Now you can use chicken also, in which case you would do the same thing, right? So here I'm frying some peanuts. These are raw peanuts, and I'm going to be using this as a garnish to add a little bit of crunch, and of course they're packed with flavor. So I'm going to lightly fry them till they turn a little goldeny brown and get cooked through, and then I'm going to keep them aside and get started on putting this amazingly flavored fried rice together. Remember, you can even use some fried onions as a garnish. You can pretty much customize it the way you want. Some of the flavors must remain consistent, which is the dark soy, the light soy, the fermented shrimp paste. These must be there, the red chilies, the onions, and of course the garlic. You can also add as much soy as you feel is necessary because it's very salty. So you may decide on putting a less amount, that's fine. So the peanuts are fried and kept aside. Now the oil is hot. And I'm going to put in the onion and the chilies. And give it a good stir. So not too much of cooking, but the onions have to lose their raw smell and taste. And it has to become slightly brown. So I'm going to give this a stir. So the pan is sizzling. I've moved the onions and the chili to the side, and I'm adding in my marinated prawns right at the center of the pan, and I make sure that they're touching the base of the pan. So this is going to make sure that they caramelize really quickly. Yeah, and I'm going to add a wee bit of the marinade, which is largely the dark soy, and it had a little bit of sugar in it. And now I'm going to let the prawns cook and get some color. So they all have to be touching the bottom of the pan where the heat is maximum. Onions will keep cooking along with the chilies at the side. You just got to get these babies nice and caramelized. So the prawns are sizzling away and they've got a nice bit of color. I'm going to add a little bit of oil to this side, and then I'm going to add the paste. Now you can add little or as much as you feel the need, because I like it spicy. So just stir it in with the oil so the flavors can all come together. And this is the time where I will be adding the garlic as well. So I've added my garlic and I'm going to stir that up. So this is supposed to smell a little funky, and because of the all fermented thing, and it's supposed to be spicy. The rice has to be nicely dark colored. So these are the hallmarks of a really good nasi goreng. So now this is going on well. Now I'm going to add the cooked rice. So I've added the rice and I've added a little bit of light soy and a little more of the dark soy. And now you can go in for a quick taste to see whether it's seasoned correctly, or you can add a little more. I think it can take a little more of the light and dark soy. I'm going to stir it up, then we're going to plate it, put a fried egg and the peanuts. So there you have it. This is a plate of gorgeous nasi goreng, and I'm going to turn this around so you can get a look at this lovely dark colored rice. It's packed with flavor. Got a fried egg, sunny side up, so it's runny, but it's got these crispy edges. It's going to add loads of texture. And now I'm going to garnish this with a little bit of the fried peanuts. And we have a bowl of kimchi here. This is our homemade in-house kimchi, and it goes perfectly. The sourness, the tartness of this goes perfectly well with this. So what are you waiting for? It's a really easy stir fry, and it is oh so satisfying. So this is your Indonesian nasi goreng done with prawns. You can do it with chicken. You can add a couple of skewers of chicken satay on this. You can pretty much make it as exciting as you want. I have not put the fried onions, but I have used the fried peanuts. So happy eating, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this.